Good morning, students of grade 3rd. Myself, Bhagwati Prajapat, and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Exceed Foundation of grade 3rd. We are doing our classwork in Student Workbook, Volume 2. Today, we are going to start as 3 of Block 10. So, mention today's date, and we are doing our classwork on page number 9. S3 is growing pattern. I hope you all are understand about the growing pattern. That means what is the meaning of growing pattern? That pattern in the shapes will always increase or extend. Extend means badna, increase means also badna. Okay, that means our shapes always increase, that are called growing pattern, Let's see question number 1. Extend the pattern. Extend means badna, increase karna. Okay, pattern, that means in the shapes, given shapes, we have to increase. First we have uh, a shape like our letter L. Next we have double L, triple L, and rule. These are called rules. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. These are called rules. In this we have 2 points. In this we have 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 6 points. That means we are increasing 2. We are increasing always 2. This one is 2 or 4 increase by 2. Again we have here 6. In this we have 4 and in this we have 6. That means we are increasing by 2 point. We are increasing by 2 points. So next rule will be 8. We will increase by 2. We have here 6 point. That means we will prepare here 8 points. So let's prepare our at 8 points. 2, 4, 6 or 8. How many points we have? 8 points. We are increasing by 2. We are increasing by 2 because if we subtract 8 minus 6, what number will come? 2. That means we are increasing with 2 points. Now we have here 8, then we will increase by 2 and it will become 10 points. That means we have to make 10 points. 1, sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10. How many points we have? 10 points. Now come on question number 2. Question 2 is draw the next two terms. Next two terms in each pattern. Complete the rule of each pattern. These are called rules. We are increasing by 2. So these are called rules, and in this we have to write rules. First we have a rectangle and one circle. In second we have a rectangle, two circle, a rectangle, three circles, a rectangle, four circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we are increasing by 1. We are extending by 1 shape. So plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Again we will do plus 1. In this we have 4 circles and we will make now 5 circles because we are increasing or extending by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 circles we will make. Now next plus 1. In this we have 5 circles Now we will ready 6 circles and 1 rectangle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 circles. Now come on next B. In this we have a square. In this we have 3 squares. 1 and here 3 squares, and in this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. We have here 2 squares extra, and in this was 1. Okay, 1 and 2 squares we have extra. In this we have 3 squares, and how many squares we have extra? Let's see. 3 squares we have extra. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the rule is 1, 2, 3, 4. In all shapes we will increase by more and more with our counting. We have here 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now in these squares we will add 5. How many squares we have in this? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 squares. That means we will increase 5 more squares, and that will become 15 squares. 15 squares. Let's see. 15 squares we have to make, and just count by this. 1 we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means like this we will draw 5 square or 5 lining. Okay students. Five squares we will draw here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And like this we will draw 5. Also we will draw 5. Just count these squares and these squares. In this we have 15 squares, and now we will increase 6. We will increase 6. That means we have to draw how many squares here? Yes, 6 squares. And in this we have how many squares? 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 squares. And add 6 in 15. Yes, 21. That means we have to draw here 21 squares. And in this we have like this. We have 5 square, and like this also we have 5 squares. And now we are doing plus 6. So this we have to draw 6 squares, and like this also we have to draw 6 squares. Let's see. Six squares we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and meet all these, and like this also we will draw 6. And meet all the squares. These are total 21 squares. Okay students, now come on question number 3. Create your oven growing pattern using circles. Its rule. Write its rule. We have to create our pattern with circle, and we have to write rule. First of all, we are writing here rule. Rule is, what we will do? We will do plus 1. Okay. And we are drawing a shape of circle. Sorry, first of all, we are doing circle, and next we will increase with 1. Here we have 1 plus 1. Plus 1 means we have to draw here 2 circles. Next, plus 1, that means we have to draw here 3 circles, because we are increasing with it. With this we have 2, so we have to draw here 3 circles. Next, plus 1, we have in this 3, that means we have to draw here 4 circles. Yes, draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we have 1. Here we have 4 circles, that means we have to draw here 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 circles. Okay. Plus 1 we are doing in our rule. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and at last we have 5 circles. I hope you all are understood, students. Bye bye.